set it on Jupiter. We can check that for sure.
You probably don't know that front. I just thought I'd mention it to get
that going. Have anything better? No, I'll go with that.
Yeah, but see, we're hitting this one. This pitch. To avoid this one is hard.
Yeah, are we sure that plus and minus beams were right now?
They're coming from this position. 10 arc minute offset.
Now, in fact, if the setting is 130,
yes.
then
this
we
is
haven't
this is
gone past the reversal setting.
Okay.
Even if it does. What?
Allan says we are sure because it hasn't gone down. That the chop angle went greater than 135, the phase will be switched. You can't hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Oh, okay. It used to be that if the chop angle went greater than 135,
yeah,
that the phase would switch.
Oh, I see.
Plus B becomes minus B. But apparently that wasn't a problem.
You see Juan's little handy cam?
Almost ready here.
It doesn't exist anymore.
Ready to integrate.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
1770
Probably.
front.
This is position G front, G for gamma. And we have a chop angle on the sky of 135.
Is the offset 1160?
Sorry?
Is the offset here 1160?
No, minus 460.
Oh, it's before.
Yes, that's
Okay, that's star.
Does it pick up the audio too? Oh, look.
So he's got his ear plugged at the back.
Excuse me, can I talk to Frank, please? So G's reference beam is up here.
Okay.
2 minutes west of L. 2 minutes east of L.
Okay, let's hope that is good enough.
I'm just writing a letter and a minus sign.
And I would like to have an average after 2 scans. After this, in fact.
That'll be 1770 and 71
Yeah, this
front.
time the zero of the sky offset is on the right side of the array. Yesterday it was on the left side, right?
Oh, wait, this has a very bad beam count of -2.
Oh, what does it mean?
It's 2 plus or 2 minus beams. Actually, I think 2 minus beams.
2 minus beams more than plus beams.
Right, and since it's only 2 beams, it's the wrong beams.
Sorry, what is that?
The nodding didn't work.
Oh.
Huh? We're beam switching. What do you mean?
Well, then Franz got the wrong scan numbers or whatever, but it's...
Let me see.
Oh, it should have been 70 and 71, I think.
Probably.
Let me see.
Yeah.
It's back to my old marks now, Al. Well, you're seeing pointing arrow. I can't spoil my resolution.
Yeah, I'm seeing it on the full
I marked
frame.
where it is just now. Let me.
It's just switched, right?
Yeah.
So the next one.
We haven't updated yet.
Yeah, 70 and 71.